It's painful to repeat the same gesture over and over. However, about 300 million people worldwide perform this kind of labor, while unskilled is also decreasing. Industry world is empowered by robotics, but it needs deep knowledge of robotics, big process, and an expensive material. But we believe that robots and automation will be everywhere over the next 10 years. This is why we built Niryo, to empower people through robotics and democratize desktop robotic arm. Since 2016, we have launched 3 generations of 6-axis desktop robotic arm, and the last one is NED 2. An accessible robot able to practice and learn automation system, AI, Industry 4.0, and plenty of usage for every student, workers, and engineer. Our objective is to propose a smart robot, light and cost-effective. Our solution is not only an hardware, it's also a platform to discover courses and tutorials to support people in their learning process, and on top of that, an ultra-intuitive software that we will discover today.
After 4 years deploying collaborative robots and robotic software, we felt a real pain from many industries to integrate and use robots during their working time. Hard to use, not accessible for everyone, old interface. The market needs to refresh all applications in order to allow robotics market to grow to support human and deliver better working conditions. Deep tech should be deep simple, and we should not have to wait to be able to use what the future offers through robotics. For human goods, Niryo is evolving and innovating the user design and customer experience.
And here we are happy to announce that we are launching our brand new application, Niryo Studio. Niryo Studio is a friendly application to allow everyone to use robotics worldwide at any level of robotic knowledge. We spent many time and did many interviews with users to propose today a simple and smooth navigation to learn and practice with Niryo Studio. It's a no-code application in which you can program your robot using Blockly solution by drag and drop. You can also adjust the position with precision on the software with each axis directly on Niryo Studio and save the position to use it on Python or Blockly. Thanks to Unity 3D View, you are able to watch your collaborative robot in real time as you are programming it. On top of that, Niryo Studio is a real dashboard to set up your ecosystem by scanning and recognizing Net2's accessories. You can also save and use your program on your own library to come back to your workshop and share it easily with other users. NiryoStudio empowers our Net2 robot to another level, and this is just the beginning.
This software was built over more than a year thanks to the collaboration of Niryo's various products, application and robots departments. We upgrade our connection by the migration from Rosebridge to Foxglove for a more stable connection with the robot. NiryoStudio uses a lot of technologies, including Angular Electron and Unity for the 3D visualization.
Thank you, Thomas. So now we're gonna do a live demonstration of Niryo Studio. So as you can see, I've already set up. So I've got my Net2 here, and he's already connected to my laptop. And we're gonna do our first pick and place program. So now with Blockly, I've opened a new window. For the moment that is empty, we have no block on the window. And we're gonna create our first pick and place program. So for the moment, we're gonna create the first pick position. I can use the control panel of the Net2 to unlock the torque of each motor with the free motion button here and go to the first pick position. I can press the save button, and as you can see on my window, you can see the first position block. And we're gonna do it for each position block for our program. So now I can go to the second position, press save, and go to the last one, and press save another time. So as you can see on my window, I've got my free position block here. I can just plug it. And what we need to do is just to add the action block to ask to the robot to grasp and release with the vacuum pump that is plugged on the Net2 to grab the little piece here with our pick and place program. So I can go to the tool section here and add the grasp block here and the release block here to ask to my vacuum pump here on my robot to grasp and release in the pick and place position. So now my program is already finished. As you can see, it's very easy. And I can click on the home position here. And now I can just press the play button and the robot will do the program. So I go to the first position, grabs the little block and release it on the conveyor belt. So as you can see, it's very easy. Now I want to show you, if you want to learn programmation with NiryoStudio, that it's very easy. So here we are on the Blockly section. I can just rename the program, pick and place, for example. And I can just save the program. So now on the library section, I can see my program, pick and place, and I can open my program in Python. And I can see the same program that we do in Blockly, but in Python. So if you want to learn programmation and learn Python programmation, you can do it easily with NiryoStudio. So I can modify the program, each position and each action, and learn Python programmation with NiryoStudio. So as you can see, it's very easy and very intuitive to program Net2 and a robot with NiryoStudio.
A new robotic era is alive. As you can see, you never seen something practical as NiryoStudio. And this is just the beginning. NiryoStudio makes programmation easy, a fast and smooth connection with the robot, and a high potential to evolve new features in AI area or live simulation. We believe in the collaboration between human and robots, and this is why we believe that a powerful robotic solution has to be accessible robotic solution. NiryoStudio complete our ecosystem with Niryo Academy and Net2. Join now our robotic community on Discord and download our new NiryoStudio software available everywhere in the world for free on Linux, macOS and Windows. The most versatile robotic arm in the world become today the most accessible robot thanks to NiryoStudio.